Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on Vanguard for Valorant. First, understand that Riot Vanguard is a crucial anti-cheat system that must be active for you to play Valorant. Often, simply restarting your computer will ensure Vanguard launches correctly. This is the most common and easiest first step to take if you encounter any problems when trying to start the game. Once your computer restarts, check your system tray, usually in the bottom right corner, for the Riot Vanguard icon. If you don't see it, try launching Valorant directly. The game client should automatically attempt to start Vanguard. You can also confirm it's running by opening Task Manager and looking for the VG tray. EXE process under the Details tab. If Vanguard still isn't active, you might need to troubleshoot. A common solution is to completely uninstall and then reinstall both Valorant and Riot Vanguard. Also, ensure no other background applications are interfering. Sometimes, other anti-cheat software or system utilities can cause conflicts. Keeping your operating system and graphics drivers updated is also very important. For more persistent issues, you might need to delve into advanced settings. Ensure that Secure Boot is enabled in your computer's BIOS settings, as this is a requirement for Vanguard on some systems. Additionally, confirm that Trusted Platform Module, or TPM 2.0, is active. If all else fails, reaching out to Riot Games player support is your best next step for personalized help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.